everyone, welcome back. Does the Flex app load fine on mobile data but completely fails on Wi-Fi, just spins or shows a connection error? Here's a fix from your iPhone settings. Go to your settings app and then find your connected network at the top inside the Wi-Fi with the blue check mark. Then tap the little letter I in a circle right next to your network's name. Then tap forget this network and confirm. Now go back a little and then toggle the Wi-Fi at the top of your screen off. Wait for 10 seconds and then turn it back on. Your network will reappear. Tap it and enter your password to reconnect completely fresh. This clears a broken session that was causing Flex connection to fail. After reconnecting, try the Flex app again. If it still fails on this specific Wi-Fi, go to settings, scroll down to Flex and confirm that the Wi-Fi network is not restricted or blocked. Some corporate or university Wi-Fi's work also block financial app connections, so try your home network or mobile data if you're at an office or campus. So all you gotta do is go to settings, Wi-Fi, forget and reconnect fresh, check Flex app's permissions and try a different network if you're on a restricted one. Connection will be restored and that's it. Subscribe.